gitu ya.
Hi, I'm Citra Sasmita. I'm visual artist from Bali. A Place Further Than the Universe is my first mural project for IKEA Bali. It has been a great challenge and new experience for me to manifest my idea to such as a big building and how I transform Balinese art traditional iconography mixed with Swedish culture such as the design of the Dalarna horses in front of IKEA's Bali building. The mural and the Dalarna horse design are inspired by Balinese philosophy that we live harmonious with human and nature, and how our spiritual symbol also related to nature and have meaning of protection for us, for human, for the light being. And I think that is one of the definition of home in response of IKEA's Bali vision. Thank you for ArtDept.Id for this amazing opportunity to me to collaborate with IKEA Bali.